Are you having problems with the new blend feature not showing on your Instagram and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this. So what you're going to do first is to just open up your Instagram app on your phone and just come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly in here is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down a little bit in here until we can see help, as you can see. So click on help. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click on report a problem. And then once again, click on report a problem. Then click on include and continue, and now you should be taken here, which is great. So now on this page, what you're going to do is to write exactly like this to the Instagram support. So you're going to write like this: I am missing the blend feature on my account. I need this to be fixed. So just write like this to them: I am missing the blend feature in my account. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. And then what you're going to do after this, as you can see, it says submitting your report. And when it's done, what you're going to do now is to just just actually close your Instagram app and open up your settings app on your phone instead. Scroll down in here and click on general. Scroll down again and click on storage. And then you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps on your phone. And then we're just going to scroll down here, find Instagram, as you can see, then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds. We're just going to keep waiting. This might take a couple of seconds to be able to come to the next page. So as you can see, perfect. Now you're going to click on the blue button here once again, and just simply now wait for your Instagram app to completely update to its latest version. So by doing this step by step 1 guide and step 2 guide, you're going to now wait for your Instagram app now to completely update to its latest version. And when it's done, you're going to go back into the app and try once again. If it still is not appearing to you, for some of you this will fix it right away, but if it still is not actually appearing for you, you're going to wait for the support to be able to see this. So wait about 24 to 48 hours and then go back into your Instagram and then check once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.